What's going on, Bam Fam? It is a beautiful Saturday. I am headed to Black Jack Harley-Davidson to pick up my rubber gaskets, and we're going to talk a little on the way. First story. Went to get on my bike today. Was very excited. All helmeted up, all ready to go. Got my glovies on.
These are spirit fingers.
Had everything ready to go. Hit my kill start switch, or hit my kill switch, turned it on. Nothing. Huh. Thank you. You the real MVP, brother.
Brother.
Of course, I don't have a battery tender or anything like that. So what did I do? Hooked it up to the car battery. Oh, that was a big bump. Oh man, yeah, hooked it up to the car battery. The bike immediately fired right up. The only thing that I can think of that would have killed my bike is because I haven't started my bike in about 2 weeks. Yes, it's been cold, but that being said, I had a 2018 lowrider, and during the winter, last winter, actually 2 winters ago now, I would not ride it for a couple of weeks at a time, and it would start right up every time. So the only thing I can think of is having my power vision plugged into my bike. I guess it's just constantly drawing power from the battery. So went ahead and unplugged that. I will plug it back in as needed. It is stored under the left panel of the bike, so I have it readily available anytime I need it. All I need is an 8mm socket. We're just gonna chill out here. Well, my speedo says 70, but I'm really doing 65. My speedo is 5 minutes fast. 5 minutes fast. My speedo is 5 miles per hour fast. Such a beautiful day. It's beautiful blue skies. The sun feels great. It's about 70 degrees today, and it is just beautiful. Story number 2 that I want to get into is my fairing. You can see, you can see, I've got basically what I had did was, hold my beer, check this out. Shout out to Bung King. Bung King makes a bracket now for the Lowrider S for these T-Sport fairings, and it works so much better than the washers that I had. However, the issue with this new setup is, well, it's not an issue, it's an issue for now. The one issue with the setup is it moved my entire fairing up about 1.5 inches. So my already 14.5-inch windshield is even higher now. So now I've got to sit like extra tall so I can see over it. I did order a new windshield for this bad boy. It is going to be a light smoke, and it's good quality, so you'll actually be able to see through it. So I have a new windshield on the way, a shorter one. It's going to be a 12-inch instead of 14.5. Oh, now my fairing sits 1.5 inches higher. The good thing about that is it no longer rubs down here on the triple tree, and it no longer shakes and vibrates up here where the windshield meets. Set my cruise control because I got that. Man, I love my cruise control. I rode around for 2 years on my lowrider, my 2018 lowrider, without cruise control. And I'm glad now that I didn't buy it, because that would have been, an extra $250 that I spent on it before getting rid of it. But glad I didn't buy it now. However, at the time, not having it was garbage. I want to start doing longer rides, getting out to different states. My buddy Dan wants to go hit up Tail of the Dragon at some point, because it's really only like a 4-hour ride to get there. We can, yeah, woo, that was awesome. That kid already knows. Man, that just made my day. Woo, that just made my day. That was awesome. Man, look at it. He was scooting on his freaking little off-road lawnmower engine two-wheeled scoot, and he threw out the deuces. It was like, yo, I'm here, what up? Yes, that was awesome. Yes, I waved at him. I put my hand up over my head and waved at him. Oh, that was too cool. You can tell that's going to be a future motorcycle rider. There's something about motorcycles that puts you in the right headspace. I don't know what it is. I mean, everybody that rides knows what it is. It's just a feeling that you get. It's like freedom and happiness and fulfillment, engagement. You're engaged with the motorcycle. You have user input. It's everything about riding. And the wind hitting you, oh man. So tell me down in the comments below, do you own a bike? What kind of bike do you have? Do you try and ride year round? I feel like I need an energy drink. I had coffee this morning, but it was not enough. I need some engagement. I need y'all to hit me up in the comments section. I need y'all to tell me what kind of content y'all want to see. What do y'all want me to talk about? I can talk about random shit all day long. That is not a problem. I talk for a living. Talking is what I do, and it is what I do best. Yeah, motorcycle, get some. My mirrors, being down here like this, they're basically useless, which is funny. But, I mean, I don't really use them anyway. If I need to see behind me, I'll just look behind me. Yes, that takes my eyes off the road, but, I mean, you can't see absolutely everything in a mirror anyway. You still need to do a head check. Please don't pull out in front of me, car. It's greatly appreciated. One thing about cars is on a bike, if they are sitting at a T like that, you want to look at their tires. Look at their wheels. If their wheels are starting to slowly roll, prepare yourself for them to pull out in front of you. Also, look at their body language. Do they see you? What are they doing? Do they look like they're in a hurry? That is 100% every single time I see somebody pulling up to a stop sign, I'm immediately looking at their head. What's their head doing? And then I'm looking at their tires. What are their tires doing? And go! Yeah! Gucci gang, Gucci gang. What up? My boys. Hell yeah. This is why I love Black Jack Harley. They always got something going on.
Always got something. Always something.
Come on, brother. Looks like up here Blackjack, somebody just bought a bike, and this is how they celebrate it. So they have a hot dog stand out front called the Grumpy Weiner. On my way home from Black Jack Harley-Davidson, I got my gaskets, hung out for a little bit, ate a couple chili dogs. All right, so I got some good content planned. I'm gonna be swapping out my windshield soon. I have future plans for the bike. I don't want to reveal them just yet because I haven't quite saved up the money to get it done yet. What's going on, Bam Fam? So obviously camera died on my ride home, so I couldn't continue filming. So just wanted to pop in, tell you I got some good content planned, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share. And I will catch you guys in the next one.